Hi folks, welcome back to another video and another abandoned explorer. But unfortunately I am not going to get into this building. I am outside Carrickfergus at some sort of factory. I'm not quite sure what it is. We just came across this by accident. Now normally I would let this one go, but because there's something special around here, I'm going to show you guys now in a minute. You know, as I said, normally I would let this what do you call it, this one go, because there's nothing to see. But I want to show you what I discovered around here. This area is absolutely vast. I don't know whether it was printers or I don't know, but it's some industrial building. I mean, like, I'm not a person that likes people doing graffiti, but some of this is actually quite good talent in this. It'll give you a glimpse of what's to come here and what I have to show you. Oh, look at this. Like, some of this really is art, like. You know? But, you know, I was about to give up on this building, and then I seen what I seen, so I am going to show you. I mean, some of this stuff is amazing, like. Look at the shading done on the outline of the lettering there, like. It's like flames. I mean, that's pure class. But that is minor compared to what I seen around here. Inside that building in front of me, that little small building in front of me, you should see the work that went on in here. I was very, very close to letting this one go. I'm glad I done a sweep around first. I mean, like, isn't that fantastic, like? No, oh my God. I mean, like, this is a building at some stage maybe torn down, and we've got all this art. I want to document this, because whoever done this has got talent. Yes, I know I don't like people putting graffiti in places, but this isn't graffiti, this is art. I mean, like, this is fantastic. You know, this is why it's worth doing this video. I mean, like, this is inside an old boiler house of some kind. And this art is hidden away. in decay, in a building of decay. You know, the one thing about this video is, you know, whoever done this, and maybe in the future these buildings will be pulled down. You know, I feel, you know, that documenting this and doing this video, you know, the art will be saved. You know, because you'll still see it on the video. I mean, like, what amazing work, like. You know, this is fantastic. You know, absolutely fantastic work. That's just a manhole. But you can see the building that it's actually in. It's just a wreck of a place. It's like an old boiler house. And you see that, like, that's just breathtaking, like. There's more. Let's see what's over here. Oh, up there. But yeah, it is a boiler house of some kind. Folks, that's all I have to show you. But what, as you can see, I mean, this is absolutely fantastic artwork. I mean, like, this is just amazing, and it's an absolute shock just to walk into this empty space and see this. It's just like it's like discovering treasure. It's just absolutely fantastic. Guys, I'm going to leave it for now. I'm going to take some photographs. I'm going to put it up on the Facebook page to show this art, because, you know, in a number of years this may not be here. But I'll see you in the next video, folks, and as always, be good to each other. Wow.